Hey ninjas! Today we're going to learn how to turn a high poly object into a low poly one without losing details. First, select your high poly object. In the stats, you'll see it has about 7.9K faces. Let's reduce that by around 90%. Duplicate the object and move it to the side. Now, add a decimate modifier and bring the ratio down to around 0.1 to 0.2. Apply the modifier. And just like that, you're down to around 1.5K faces with the same look. Bonus tip, select all vertices of the low poly version. Press X and choose Limited Dissolve. That cleans up 500 extra vertices while keeping the details intact. And that's how you can quickly turn a high poly object into a low poly one. Super simple and clean. Thanks for watching, ninjas. Keep improving.